What do you dream about? When we are young, we have big dreams. But as we age, we seem to think time is running out, and so we stop dreaming. And that's a shame. Welcome back to Grow with Georgia, where personal growth is a daily mission because you deserve your best. Seriously, guys, I'm almost 50, and I want to keep dreaming. I'm not dead yet. But having 5 brain tumors makes me want to seriously rush this process along faster. One of the first steps in personal growth is discovering things that you want to learn in life. Now, March is National Nutrition Month, and we're also talking all about sharing. I would love nothing more than to learn how to grow my own food and be able to share it with others. In a previous video, I talked about how I really wanted to learn how to grow a strawberry. I'll link that above. Now, last year, I wasn't so successful growing strawberries, but this year, ta-da! We have plants. Will I get an actual strawberry on these plants? I don't know. But one day, I will absolutely be able to grow a strawberry from a seed. I'm determined. Now, for another example, I had a hamburger one time at one of those steak restaurants, and it was so yummy. I said, man, I gotta figure out exactly what's on this hamburger. Lo and behold, when I checked the menu again, it said arugula. I'd never had arugula before. I didn't even know what it looked like or how it tastes, but man, that day it tasted pretty good, and I thought, I'm gonna have to start buying arugula. And then I got to thinking, I wonder if I could grow my own arugula. I've been successful with lettuce so far, but arugula is kind of tricky. I didn't know if I could do that. But, ta-da! So much arugula, I don't even want to harvest it. Now, not all attempts are going to be successful. Let me just share my spinach with you. Yep, no spinach this year. Maybe next year we'll get that. Now, like I said, not all attempts are going to be successful, as you can see by my spinach. And we usually say, I'll probably fail anyways. And 9 times out of 10, we're right. There's one reason for that, and that's because we don't even try. You see, the minute we plant our very first seed, we get the opportunity to find out. If you're getting any value from this message, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. My question to you is, are you planting any seeds? Or are you sitting in your lawn chair just watching? And don't wait for 5 brain tumors to get started. That's all for Grow with Georgia today. And don't forget, you can't grow if you don't know, right? I'll see you in the next one. God bless.